Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV. The ex-post by Barrister Aloy Ejimakor, Special Legal Counsel to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, announces that Emma Powerful has been officially recognized as the worldwide spokesperson for the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu MNK as of June 25, 2025. This announcement follows a visitation to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, where messages were exchanged between the leadership and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, indicating a formal directive from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu himself. Emma Powerful, a well-known figure associated with IPOB, has been at the center of various controversies and is believed by some to be a pseudonym used by different individuals within IPOB for publicity purposes, making it difficult to pinpoint a single person. This strategic use of the name helps protect individuals from targeting by security forces. The context of this announcement is set against the backdrop of IPOB's ongoing struggle for Biafran independence, with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, a key leader, currently detained. The recognition of Emma Powerful as a spokesperson could be seen as a move to maintain communication and coordination within the movement, especially in light of the establishment of the indigenous people of Biafra, which some supporters view as a sovereign entity. Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV and stay tuned as we come back soon.
My name is Nnamdi. I am one of the lawyers to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. My friend here, Max Opera, and Jude Ugwai, all lawyers to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We just came out from the station of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today being the 25th of June 2025. We have delivered the messages from the leadership to him. He has equally also sent us to the leadership and to the whole world. From now henceforth, Emma Powerful is the recognized worldwide spokesperson for IPOB. Emma Powerful is now, from now henceforth, 25th of June 2025, is the official spokesperson of IPOB worldwide. So the directive is coming from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, today being the 25th of June 2025. He also has received the message that was sent to him. We delivered it to him, and he has acknowledged it, and the others replied and given a reply which will be sent to those concerned directly. Thank you.
The only person to preach Biafra to you and you will listen are those who are under our central command, IPOB, of course, with Radio Biafra. Anything else, I must warn you. These are vultures and they are vagabonds that are very poor and wretched. They think Biafra is the means through which and by which they can survive. These are wretched people and failures in their field of endeavor. Don't say I did not warn you. Don't say we never warned you. What?